Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add image slider for your site in BigCommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is go and click here on page builder, and then you're gonna see it here, carousel. Add it here and you get like perfect carousel. Now you can just add like slide 3, play around it, change the text here. Now you get like slide 2, slide link, slide 1, text color, change the background, change the color to Baby Yoda. Then you get like box here. You can edit the button and really edit it as much as you want. So this is how you can add carousel for your site in BigCommerce. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.